Okay, students, good morning. My name is Payal and this is your Potpitya class. Today I am going to show you Microsoft Excel. So this is your first chapter and we have read yesterday page number 14 and 15 basic about Microsoft Excels and different parts of Microsoft Excel window. Okay, so this is your column. Yesterday many students were asking this doubt like, ma'am, what is column? So if these vertical lines are called column and these horizontal lines are called rows. So by default we have columns from A up to complete Z. Okay, so after Z it will start like A B, AC, AD. So here you can enter your data like this. If you want to create your file, then we have different options here also, like new files, open already created file, or you can save your files, or if you want to save your file with a different name, then you have to use option save as also. There is option of printing, like if you have complete your work and you want to take a print out, and if printer is connected to your system, then you can take the printout also. These are some options available. Then publish, close, if you want to close the document. So all these things are available under file tab only. Next is your quick access toolbar. This is available on the left corner. So this is your quick access toolbar. Customize quick access toolbar. So there are also a new open, save, email, quick print, print preview. All these options are given here, so you can use from here also. Next is your title bar. Title bar is this one, book 1 Microsoft Excel. So this is the default name of your Excel sheet, that is book 1 Microsoft Excel, and this is called title bar. Moving to the next point is ribbon. Ribbon contains all the required commands to create a sheet. So this is your ribbon, this one, all home, insert, and this blue bar is completely called ribbon. Next is tell me. Yesterday many students were asking about, ma'am, please tell me. So today I will show you what is all about tell me. The box containing the text tell me what you to do next to the bulb icon can be used to quickly access features or to get help. So you can also use all these options, like in home we have different options available. In inserts many options are also available. Different kinds of options are available here, so you can check. Okay, data review, we all these options are available here. Next is dialog box launcher. So whenever you will click on home, this is your dialog box launcher. You can just click on this and you will get this format cell option in front of you. You can change the font, you can just underline your text, single, double, single, accounting. So everything you can do. Formatting means how you are going to design your page, or you can also select the color, select the size, font style. All these options you are select from this option. So this was the option here. So next is name box. This is your clipboard, and whenever you will go to the home, you will get this is your name box. showing here. This is name box. Okay. Next is formula bar. So this is your formula bar here. This is used to create formulas. You can also use some automatically or already given formulas, or you can create new one also. Next is row bar and column bar. I have told you, like this horizontal, complete this horizontal line is called row, and this vertical line is called row. So see, this complete line is single row, this complete line is column, and these are your column name: column A, column B, column C, column D, so on. Next is cell. So cell, if you are going to insert any data, so this complete thing is called cell. Next is status bar. So status bar, what it does, it give you the status, like is it ready or not. So here you can see this will be below here, but due to screen recording, I will not be able to show. It's nothing, it's just show you ready means you are good to go, you are good to go your excel with your excel sheet experiment. Okay, if it is in ready state. Then we have the view buttons here. Here you can see normal, page layout, page break preview. This is your view button. And next we have zoom in, zoom out. See, if we have written here Lotus and you want to zoom your page, then from this zoom control, zoom in or zoom out you can use. So due to this screen recording, I will not be able to show you this option, but just want to make sure, like, or you can use it plus sign or minus sign for controlling your zoom in, zoom out functions. Okay, so this is all about the things given on, and this whole thing is your sheet area. This complete page you are able to see in Microsoft Excel is your sheet area. So this was all about the practical given on page number 14, 15 and 16. So if you are having doubt, you can check with me. Thank you, students.